One of my favorite sauces is Hoisin sauce, and we're gonna make that together today. So we're gonna start with 4 tablespoons of soy sauce or coconut aminos. I like to use coconut aminos. 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 teaspoons of rice vinegar, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of hot sauce. I have Frank's red hot sauce here. Use more if you want it spicier. Here's some ginger. I love this grater, so we're just gonna grate the ginger, about a teaspoon. We're just gonna scrape it off and put it in there. Here's our garlic. The way I like to peel garlic, I like to take it and crush it, and then the skin usually peels right off. So we're just gonna crush a garlic clove and put that into our little ball jar of our hoisin sauce. There we have it. And so now you can just shake it up, or if you have an immersion blender, you can blend it, and then you have hoisin sauce. I like to put it over ground beef with some rice and broccoli, summer squash, zucchini, mushrooms. So I hope you love it. It is so delicious. Please try it. Let me know what you think.